So I'm just going to check for any signs of bleeding, inflammation, pocketing. You can see there's no signs of redness or swelling or suppuration. It all looks healthy. I'm going to paint on some disclosing solution to show any biofilm. Bit of a shower. An alternative to airflow is to clean the instruments with something like a titanium hand instrument that's safe to use around the implants. Mm-hmm. Okay. Not easy to get the angle. If the pocket is 4 millimeters or deeper, you could use the Labrida Clean brush to clean subgingivally. If there's calculus on the implants, then you could use an ultrasonic with a specialist tip that doesn't damage the implant surface.